this video, you will learn how to create a form channel, just like this. You will also learn how to change the layout from this to this. Let's get started. Click on the plus icon to create a new channel. If you can only see these two options, then enable the community feature. To enable this option, go to Server Settings. At the bottom, you will see an option that says Enable Community. Click on that option and follow these simple steps. Now, create a new channel. As you can see, now we have 3 new options. Choose the forum option. For this video, I will be creating a suggestions forum where community members can create a post and share their ideas. Once the channel has been created, you will see this 5-step Get Started module. To make it easier for you to understand, we are going to follow the same process. First step, setting up the permissions. To do that, right-click on the channel name and choose Edit Channel. Go to the Permissions tab and make the desired changes. If you're creating a forum channel where everyone can create a post, then you can apply these same permissions. If you want staff, such as moderators, to manage these forums, then follow along. Or else, you can skip to the next section. As you can see, we have completed step 1. Next, let's create some guidelines for this forum channel. I already have guidelines with me that are related to the suggestions channel. You can also change the formatting of the text if you would like to. You can click this option to view the post guidelines. Now, let's create some tags. Click on the Create Tag option to create your tags. Tags are useful for organizing posts, and if you want to filter them quickly. I will be creating 2 tags that everyone can choose, and 2 tags that only moderators can choose. Make sure to toggle this option. Then only moderators will be able to select this tag. If you want users to select a tag before creating any post, then toggle this option. If you want a default emoji to appear whenever a new post is created, then choose from here. If you want users to be limited to creating only 1 post within a certain time, then select it from here. I usually set it to 6 hours. If you want to change the way your forum posts look, you can do that from here. For sorting new posts, I usually leave it to the default option, which is Recent Activity. As you can see, we have completed all 4 steps. Now, the final step, creating a new post. So, let's do it. I already have the details with me, so I'll just copy them here. You can also attach images by clicking on the Files option. Click on the Post option, and your new forum post is created. If If you want to view the post in full screen mode, click on the three dots in the right corner and select Open in Full View. If you right-click on the post, you will see different options. Unfollow post will make the post disappear from the channel list. You can always follow the post again, if you'd like to. If you click on Lock Post, then, except for moderators, no one can send messages in that post. There's also another option, Pin Post. If you have a post that's super important and users must see it, then choose this option. Note, you can only pin one post in a forum channel